So now actually from this video onwards our battle will be started. Okay. Okay, so from this video we will learn how to write effective prompt. Okay, so that I have separated this course into two module, like one is from beginner to beginner to intermediate level, and another one is advanced level. Okay, so I have separated this course. So I would request you to the first you do the beginner to intermediate course. There I think 30 plus modules I have covered, and 90 plus example I have given. Okay, so after completing this thing, I am sure that you will get the intermediate level idea, and you can apply those things for your business, for your desired outcome, and all those things. Okay, so it's pretty good. So the first thing is how to write effective prompt. So I told you earlier that how to write effective prompt, it's a art actually. So the more creative you will be, the more better result you will get from ChatGPT or any other artificial tool. Okay, so for that you need to practice. That is the main thumb rule you need to follow, that the more you practice, the better response you will find out. Okay, so writing prompt is the more creative you will be, the better answer you will get. Okay, you need to practice. Okay, here I have given only few rules, few best practice I have shared. Okay, as of now I believe this is the one of the best course on prompt engineering mastery. Okay, so in future whatever update I will get, I will input inside the I will update here inside the course only. So as of now I believe this is one of the best course on ChatGPT prompt engineering mastery. Not only this, it is I'm talking about the ChatGPT, but for any other artificial tool, any other AI tools, you will you can apply the same. Here I have mentioned the tips and tricks and example proven formula actually I have mentioned. So you can apply for those for other AI tools also. Okay, so here I have mentioned only few rules, tips, tricks, formula, all these things I have mentioned. So this is more than enough for your practice, and I am very much sure, pretty confident that you will get the best result, because I am getting it for my most of the work. I use ChatGPT and other AI tools also. In a different course I will explain about other AI tools for getting other benefits. Anyway, so this is the main thing, that how you can write your prompt so that you can get best result out of it from any other artificial tool. Okay, so that's it. So now the tips number 1 I would like to share with you, that whenever you are writing any prompt, you need to become very clear and specific about your prompt. Whenever you are asking something to ChatGPT or any other artificial tools, so there you need to mention very clearly what you want, what is your objective. You need to mention it very clearly, and you need to specify what thing you want, what is your expectation from ChatGPT or any other artificial tool. So you need to clarify it very clearly. Don't make it complicated. Okay, so like here I have given one example, that tell me about AI. Suppose you are asking ChatGPT that hey, I don't know anything about AI, but tell me about explain me what is it. I have never heard about it, so tell me about AI. So what kind of response it provides? It's a practical session, so I will show you what kind of result it generates. So here is my ChatGPT dashboard. Suppose you are writing this, tell me about AI. So it will provide a generic answer because your question is like a generic question. So that's why it will provide a for research purpose, for information purpose. It is good for information purpose. If you want to know detail about AI, it is good, pretty good. But if you want to get some more specific answer, more detail oriented answer, more target oriented answer, so you need to modify your prompt itself. So see, artificial intelligence referred to the simulation of human intelligence in machine that are programmed to think, learn and solve problem. The basic, all the details, definition and scope types of AI, then application of AI, then technologies behind AI, ethical and social consideration, future of AI, the general information it has given. Okay, so you have given the general question to ChatGPT, so it will provide a generic answer it will provide. But if you ask, let me tell, so but if you ask this thing, it's a advanced level prompt that explain the concept of artificial intelligence and its main applications in healthcare and finance industry. So in the place of healthcare and finance industry, you can use your industry. It might be marketing, it might be medication, or any other industry, marketing industry, healthcare industry, relationship industry, any kind of industry you can mention. So I have, for example purpose, I have given only the healthcare and financial industry. So you are asking ChatGPT that explain the concept of artificial intelligence. When I want to know about the I want to know about artificial intelligence on a particular industry, on a particular topic. So you are specifying it, you are clarifying it. Okay, so let's see, suppose healthcare or finance industry, for your case it might be marketing industry, it might be relationship industry, wealth industry. Okay, so suppose I have copied it, and again I will go to ChatGPT, and again I will paste it. So any industry I will, okay, so I have given healthcare. So in this place now, in healthcare and finance industry, you can replace your content. Okay, but the other format will be same. So let's see how it's specify me. Now this answer you will get only on healthcare industry, healthcare and finance industry. You can split it also for healthcare only, for finance only. Okay, see here it is, concept of artificial intelligence, concept given, main application of AI in healthcare. So healthcare, it has explained everything, what to do, diagnostic and medical imaging. Then it's coming personalized treatment plan, predictive analytics, administrative efficiency, virtual health assistance, all these things. And again it, as you have as I have mentioned, healthcare and finance. So for your case you can do anything. It might be only healthcare, it might be only finance, it might be only wealth, it might be only marketing, only sales, like this. So that's why I provided the specific answer for finance and specific answer for healthcare industry. So now I think it's pretty clear to you how to write. Instead of tell me about AI, you are telling explain the concept of explain the concept of artificial intelligence and its main applications in healthcare industry, or in finance industry, or in marketing industry. Okay, so you can explain anything. I have mentioned 3 examples. Okay, so here I will not show you practically all 3, but 2 of course I will show you. But the rest you can create multiple, not only 3. You can create 30 examples, you can create 300 examples. Okay, for your experience. Now the second example I want to give you, that describe a car. Suppose you are asking ChatGPT, hey ChatGPT, please describe a car, but you are not specifying it, you are not clarifying it, that what kind of car you are looking for. You are looking for an electric car, you are looking for a diesel car, you are looking for a petrol car, you are looking for a electric car, or which specific brand are you looking for? A specific brand like a BMW type, body type, any specific brand. So details are not given here, so you are only asking describe a car. Okay, let me go to the ChatGPT and I can ask describe a car. So it will provide a generic answer, because you have asked a generic question. So it will provide a common ordinary response for more information. More complicated actually, but you will not get your actual desire. So main components, engine, transmission, all these things are classic, chassis, body, interior. So body parts, actually the car body parts, it has mentioned all these things. Braking system, steering system, lightning and signaling, then fuel system, all the information it has given about types of cars. Again, features and technologies is provided. More detailed information it has given, but it is little bit overwhelming, because you have said describe a car. No, you are not specified any particular car model or anything. So types of car, but it's little bit overwhelming information it has delivered. Okay, so but if you want, you want some specific answer, right? Suppose your question is, describe the features and benefit of the latest electric cars compared to traditional gasoline cars. Suppose you want to know that I want to know the features. Suppose I want to buy a car, so I want to know the features and benefits of a car. I want to know the features and benefits of the latest electric cars. So here are 3-4 things I am covering. The first thing is I want to know the features. I want to know the benefits of what? Of latest electric cars. So even I don't know which one is the latest electric car. So in that way I can ask of latest electric cars, and it has to be compared to a traditional gasoline car. So you are specifying more. Suppose in your case, another way you can write that, like any brand name you can provide. Okay, so the more detail, as I told you, the more details you will provide, the more accurate answer you will get. So here I am writing, describe the features and benefits of the latest electric cars compared to traditional gasoline cars. You can replace your content, but the main thing is you need to care whether your question is clarifying all those things. It has to be simple and clarification, with clarification. Okay, so now let me enter. So let's check. It will provide the details: electric powertrain, battery pack, electric motors, regenerative braking, charging capabilities. So it's providing what? Features and benefit. Okay, here the features is providing feature of the latest electric cars. So these are the features: advanced driver assistance system, infrontment and connectivity, interior and designing. Now it's providing the benefits, because you wanted to know the features and benefit. Okay, so features given, benefits is providing: environmental impact, cost effective, performance, convenience, technology and innovation, energy independence, all these things. Now it's providing challenges and consideration. So what kind of challenges you might face, and consideration whether you will buy or not. So range anxiety, initial cost, battery life and replacement, those things you need to consider. You need to keep in mind that what kind of, whether you should buy that electric car or not. Okay, so I think you got pretty clear idea that about the topics. Our topic was, you have to become clear and specific about your question. So whenever you are asking something, you have to become very clear that what I am asking to ChatGPT, I need to specify I want a glass of water. So like that simple thing you need to ask, that I need a glass of water. Like this, don't make it very complicated. If you ask a generic question, if you ask a common question, it will provide a generic answer, though those answers are very informative for your information purpose, it is correct. But if you want to get some specific answer, more accurate answer, in that case you need to specify all those things. So our first example was, be clear and specific. So I have given you 2 examples practically, but here 3 examples we have. You can test, and you can create another set of 3 or set of 10 examples you can create based on your example, based on your target audience and based on your industry, and you can test it. Okay, so that's it for this video. So next video we will explain another tips. Okay, thank you.